Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this beautiful, quick and easy smoky eye. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, the rest of my face is done, which means I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look for you today. A quick, I'm gonna call it like a maroony smoky eye. Okay, so for this look today, I'm going to be using this Morphe 350 Super Glow palette with these beautiful colors. Okay, so for the first shade, I'm going to be taking this like a burgundy dark brown color, right? So, and I'm going to use my Morphe brush. There's no number on this one. But before we start, let's protect our foundation, our face. So I'm going to put some setting powder under my eye to catch any fallout. Let me zoom in a little bit further. That should be fine. So we're just gonna take our brush, just gonna dip it into that color. It's like a plummy color. So basically you can do a smoky eye with just about any darker shade that you want. It does not have to be black or brown. It could be a dark red, it could be a blue. This color is so pretty. And it's going to be so simple. This could be worn in the day, and I would say mostly in the nighttime since it's so dark. Okay, and just kind of drag mine out a little bit. I hope you guys are all doing great. Staying out of this heat, hydrating, drinking your water, and minding your business. You know. Alrighty, so that's pretty much what I'm going to do for that first eye. Let me just do the second one with you guys. This video is going to be very quick and simple. I'm going to use another color. Sorry if I'm looking away. I just have my mirror here. I want to make sure that, you know, you guys could see what I'm doing. I noticed that in my last couple of videos, I'm wearing the exact same color, in the same color family. I guess orange is my favorite color, right? It's not, but it's bright and I like bright colors. It's one of my favorite colors. Okay. Alrighty guys, so that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna get another brush. This one does not have a name on it. And I'm going to take this peachy color here just to blend out the edges. All right, I want to zoom you guys all the way in so you could see the difference. I'm gonna take that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use this brush here. It's more rounded at the top, and I'm going to take that and just blend. I'm gonna stamp it down first, like so. Just to blend out the edges so the edges look more seamless and not so sharp. I kind of don't like this brush. It's a little bit too fluffy. I'm gonna try a smaller one. This one does not have a name either, but you could see it. Come on. There you go. Alright, just buff out the edges. You're going in circular motion, kind of like a windshield wiper. Okay, you guys see the difference, right? This one and that one. All right, let's just quickly do the other side. I figure you guys wouldn't mind me doing the other side on camera, since this is going to be a quick video. Easy, right? I try to make my videos just, you know, very easy and simple for you guys to follow along with. So even if you're a beginner, you can do this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get a flat brush, like a flatter brush like this. Right, and I'm just going to get a lighter color. I'm going to use this one, like this beigey color, and I'm going to put that under my brow bone, just to give it a little pop. It's for a little brightness, right under here. My air is on, but I feel hot, man. And it's late, it's like after 6. The sun is still bright. It's okay. All right. And that's all we have for the smokiness. Now, I'm going to get like a pencil brush. Let me use this. This is not really a pencil brush, but it's flatter. And I'm going to use that first color just to smoke out my lower lash line. And I actually didn't get any fallout. I'm actually going to use both colors. Let's do the brown first. Just gonna use on a piece of napkin. I'm gonna use the other color now to just go a little bit below this one. And now, so I'm using this Wet n Wild Kohl Black Eyeliner Pencil. Just put on my waterline. And that's all there is to the look. I'm just going to brush off my setting powder. Perfect. Okay, and I'm going to put on some lashes and come back to you guys. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just went ahead and put on some lashes, you know, to tie this look all together. These are some lashes, if I did not say before, that I purchased from Shein. They're nice and fluffy and big. That I've never worn anything this size. My lashes are always very small. So if you enjoyed this eyeshadow look, leave me some comments down in the comment section and let me know. Also, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. Until next time, I hope to see you very soon. Take care of yourself and each other. Bye guys.